Hey signers, this summer is the first time our family is going camping together. I thought I would teach Kate and you some camping signs. So let's learn how to sign camping signs. Hey.
Hi.
You ready to learn?
Yes.
Awesome. Before we get started, let's reminisce just for a second about how long we've been doing this together.
5 years.
5 years. And you are how old now?
10.
10 years old. So you were little when we started doing this, and now you're going into intermediate school. Are you getting too old for this?
No.
Okay, good. Tent. Tent. You have your index finger and your pinky, and you're making a tent. So can you do that? There you go, and then bring it down. Awesome. Yep. And it's also the sign for camp as well. Do you want to go camping?
Yes.
Do you want to stay in a tent?
Maybe.
Tiny bit. Fire. Fire. Your fingers are wiggling, making the fire. Can you do fire? Put it out. There you go. Fire. Awesome. Marshmallow. Marshmallow. It's like we're squeezing the marshmallow. Can you do marshmallow? Right? Or marshmallow, like squishing it. Very good. Do you like marshmallows?
Yes, but not very melted.
Okay, you just like want them not warmed up.
Yes, they're too sticky when they're warmed up.
So no s'mores. No. That's sad. Stars. Stars. So it looks like shooting stars. Can you do stars? There you go. It looks like they're what?
Shooting.
Shooting through the air. Very good. Stars.
They use that in a Star Spangled Banner.
Yes, you guys learn how to do Star Spangled Banner and sign it. Tree. Tree. So we have the land right here, and then we have our tree, and just kind of moves back. Tree. Awesome. Looks like a tree.
Mm-hmm.
Lake. Lake. So it's water, and then we're making this circle shape of the lake. Water and a circle. Do you like going to the lake?
Yes.
Yeah, it's a lot of fun. Fish. Fish. So it looks like the fish swimming through the water. Can you do fish? There you go. It looks like it's swimming, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Good job. Map. Map. Map is finger spelled M-A-P. Map. Map is just finger spelled M-A-P. Awesome. Do you know how to use a real map?
No.
Okay, probably need to learn. Here's a map.
The United States.
The United States.
All right.
Do you know where we're going this summer?
Is it on here?
There, right
Wyoming?
there. Wyoming.
Oh.
Idaho, Montana,
Colorado,
and Colorado.
Utah.
Backpack. Backpack. This is one of a couple signs for backpack. Like you have the backpack on. Backpack. Very good. It's like the straps.
Like, and it's bouncing, kind of.
Yeah, well, yeah, whenever you're walking, it's like. Flashlight. Flashlight. So this is one of many signs for flashlight. So it's light, and then you're holding the flashlight looking around. So light, there you go, that finger, and then you're moving it around. Flashlight, very good. Sleeping bag. Sleep and bag. Sleeping bag. Sleep and B-A-G. Did you sleep in a sleeping bag
Yes.
at camp? And you liked it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah?
It was comfy.
That's good. Hike. Hike. So it's these 3 fingers and you're walking like this. And you can even make them kind of clawed and go up as well for more strenuous hike. So those 3 fingers walking, yep, like that. But then if we really want to go up, you can curl them. Go like up the mountain. Awesome. Boots. Boots. It's B hands bouncing them together. Shoes, B's for boots. So B's, and then kind of bounce in. Very good. Boots. Bird, bird. It's like its little beak. Bird. Now bird, what does it look like it's doing?
Eating.
Eating.
Or pecking.
It's like, yeah, there's a little bird. There are many signs for picnic, but this is the one that I use. Picnic. Your hands go back and forth. Picnic. Picnic. Awesome. Great job. Forest. Forest. It's many, many trees. Forest, we're gonna do many, many, many trees. There you go, forest. Rock. Rock. So it's these A-shaped hands and the dominant hits on top of the other one. Rocks. Very good, rock. And it's like you're hitting your hand. A rock. Don't hurt yourself. Water. Water. It's a W hand right at your mouth where you drink water. Can you do water? Do I have to remind you to drink your water every day?
No. I'm thirsty now.
See, I drink
My water.
Etsy. Link down in the description. Bug or insect. You have a 3 hand coming at your nose, bending down. Can you do bug or insect? Kind of looks like the little antennas, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
It's hard to get the right spot on your nose.
Yeah, you don't want to like go up your nose. Binoculars. Binoculars. It's like you have the binoculars at your eyes and you're adjusting them. Binoculars. Good job. Just like looking through the binoculars. Well, Kate, thank you for joining me today. I appreciate it.
You're welcome.
See you, girl.
Bye.
Now let's put these signs into sentences. Where is your flashlight? Your flashlight where? Are you ready to eat some marshmallows? Marshmallows ready, eat you? Wow, there are so many stars. Wow, stars, and then this claw 5, all up in the air. Let's set up the picnic over there. Picnic, set up, over there. Now families, why not go outside and practice some of these signs or use them on your next camping trip? Wish us luck that we don't get eaten by too many bugs. And until next time, keep learning how to sign.